Horizontal cracks in concrete and screed are common issues resulting from causes like settlement, excessive loads, shrinkage, and temperature changes. These cracks indicate underlying issues, necessitating timely repair for reasons such as maintaining structural integrity, preventing water infiltration, enhancing aesthetics, addressing safety concerns, and avoiding further damage. KOSTER KB Pox IN is a two-component low-viscous epoxy injection resin that permanently seals cracks and restores the structural integrity of the construction elements. KOSTER KB Pox IN can be applied through the pouring saturation method, utilizing the convenience of the specially designed 1 kilogram container for effective crack filling. The determination of the crack width is facilitated by using the KOSTER crack gauge, which is 2 millimeters in this case. Marks are made at approximately 10 centimeter intervals along the crack, and employing a grinding machine equipped with a diamond disc, crosscuts are carefully made to facilitate the placement of the KOSTER screed anchors. Thorough cleaning of the crack and crosscuts is imperative to ensure the elimination of loose particles, oils, grease, and other contaminants. The KOSTER screed anchors are placed into the prepared crosscuts. Prepare the material by pouring component B into the plastic bottle containing component A. Subsequently, securely seal the bottle and vigorously shake for a minimum of 30 seconds, ensuring thorough mixing until a homogeneous consistency is achieved. Following the mixing process, cut open the pouring spout to enable the direct application of the material into the crack's course. Fill the crack and crosscuts with KOSTER KB Pox IN until saturation. Repeat this step until a uniform surface is achieved. After a lapse of approximately 45 minutes, KOSTER Quarzand grain size 0.036 to 0.355 mm is broadcasted over the surface to improve the mechanical adhesion of following flooring systems. The removal of excess quartz sand is carried out after approximately 12 hours through vacuuming. The final curing and hardening of the material are achieved after approximately 24 hours. KOSTER KB Pox IN injection resin stands out for its seamless and efficient approach to resolving crack sealing requirements. It offers a superior and user-friendly solution, guaranteeing an efficient and long-lasting result.